Hey guys, it's Shannon. I wanted to bring you some Christmas gift ideas. So it may be a little bit last minute, we're getting close to Christmas Day now, but there is still time to create handmade items to give for gifts. So a lot of times whenever you hand make items, not only are you saving money, but you are also giving a gift that you have put your heart into and you've specifically made it for a person, so it makes it much more special. So I love handmade gifts, I love getting handmade gifts, I love the thought behind it. So today I'm gonna bring you a few different handmade holiday gift ideas that you can do in a short amount of time so that you have them ready for the holidays. So let's get started. So before we get started, I did want to mention that I got all of these supplies at Walmart, so they should be readily available to you. And you can create each one of them for under $15. So really inexpensive gifts that you could throw together in a pinch, and they are just really nice to give because they're handmade and thoughtful. This first project is really simple. This is an enamel tray from Walmart, like I said, and it was only $3.76. So if they have that beautiful farmhouse theme, then this would really be a compliment to that. And all I'm going to do is add some ribbon to the top, a little bow to dress it up. And you could even add some vinyl here that says to do or shopping list. And then the great thing about this is it's this hard metal and it's dry erasable. So I purchased some of these dry erase markers that are magnetic. So these just stick right on here. So you could also pair this with a picture stand so they could set it up, or they could hang it, or they could put magnets on the back and hang it from the refrigerator. And then they can just make their to-do list, their shopping list on here, make little notes on here. And it's just really easy and simple, and it turns out really cute. So let me show you how to put this together. This next project is great for someone who loves to bake or to cook. These are really beautiful towels that I found at Walmart, and I'm going to pair it with a spatula. You could do a spoon or something like that. Just make sure it has a hole in the end. And what we're gonna do is punch some holes in some plain blank index cards and use these little metal rings that open and close to attach the cards onto the spatula. And that way they have some really nice recipe cards. You could leave these blank so they could put their own recipes on here. You could add your own recipes and share them with your friends or family that way. And then just wrap it up pretty with a kitchen towel. thought this idea was really, really cute. I found this oversized mug at Walmart. It's just plain white, and I like it because it has a lot of room this way instead of being tall and skinny, where we can add some vinyl to it. So baking or creating recipes in mugs is really popular, and it's kind of nice to be able to just make yourself one little snack or treat. And the recipe that I'm going to be adding to this mug is a brownie recipe. So I'm also going to put the dry ingredients in a bag inside the mug, and that way they will have the recipe and most of the ingredients to create that recipe. You can use vinyl for this and put a vinyl decal on the front, or you can use a oil-based Sharpie. And I have a full tutorial on how to do that, where you actually just handwrite your instructions and your ingredients on here and then bake it. That way it stays on the mug and can be used over and over again. If you use that technique, make sure they know not to put the mug in the dishwasher because it will come off, and to carefully hand wash them. So it's a really fun, easy project, and really, really inexpensive as well. This one is definitely under $5 that you could create this for. I think this project is my favorite. It's going to be very elegant, and it's a tray. So this is actually a soap dish by Pioneer Woman, and it was under $5. And also I'm going to pair it with a votive candle holder, and this was under $2. And what I'm gonna do is use some E6000 and put that around the rim of the candle holder and let this sit for about 24 hours so that it can cure and the glue will set up. And then you have a really pretty soap tray to put next to your sink in the kitchen or the bathroom even. And I'm gonna pair this with this really pretty soap that I found at Walmart as well. It's by Good Housekeeping, and it's in a really pretty bottle, so you could pair it with a really pretty bottle of soap or hand soap even, dish soap, and then a really pretty sponge as well. This one is a copper one from Walmart, or one of these Scotch green sponges, or buy a sponge even that would match their kitchen. So that's a great idea. So another really inexpensive gift that you could throw together really quickly. All right, well, I could not find my E6000, but I had a viewer a while back suggest this Gorilla Glue for your glue gun. They're glue sticks because it works just as good as E6000. So for whoever mentioned that, thank you. I'm glad I picked these up at the store one day whenever I saw them. Just have them on hand, and I'm glad I did. But if you have E6000, I would suggest that, because I do know that that is a heavy duty glue, or you could even use an epoxy for this. So use what you have on hand, and I'm just gonna use these today for this. It'll go quick and fast that way too. I hope that these tutorials gave you some inspiration for some easy Christmas gifts this holiday season. Let me know down in the comments below which one is your favorite. Please give this video a thumbs up for me. That definitely helps me and my channel. And I hope you'll share this with your friends and family too, and invite them over to craft along with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Happy holidays.